Hi everyone, we're here today outside Mike's Motorcycle Training Centre in Darlington to try and answer a question asked by one of our viewers. If I want to learn to ride a motorcycle, what sort of kit will I need? Will I need a helmet? Will I need gloves? If so, what sort of helmet? What sort of gloves? Well, Mike's the person to ask. Let's get his opinion. So we're here today with Mike from MMT Motorcycles to talk about safety. When you're learning to ride a bike, they will drill home safety to you because it is the most important thing. We know you're chomping at the bit to get out there and ride your bike, and you'll be going on the internet and you'll be buying your helmets and buying your clothing and your boots and everything, and that's absolutely fine. But what I would say is, before you do that, just come and have a word with Mike, because it's really important that you get the right fitting helmet, you get the right fitting pair of gloves, because the last thing you need to be doing is to be feeling uncomfortable while you're trying to do your CBT. It's not good. Mike, if you'd like to tell us a bit about the safety aspects of the helmets and the gloves you should be wearing.
Okay, so what we need is a CE approved helmet, jacket, gloves, okay, but the only law in the country is actually wearing a helmet. I would advise that you wear the rest of the protective equipment. The helmet, okay, should fit you properly. So we've got from extra small all the way to extra large. It should fit correctly around the forehead. The strap should be adjusted so it's not choking you, but nice and comfortable. And it will push on your cheeks, but it doesn't want to be moving about. So you get a little bit of speed up. If it's too slack, it will push and come to your mouth, and you'll be spinning around on your head. If it's too tight, it'll give you a headache. Okay, so you've got to make sure that the thing fits you correctly. Okay. Now then, we'll go on the gloves. Again, extra small, all the way through extra large. CE approved armour on the knuckles, double stitching on the hands, and they want to be the correct size. Okay, so whether you're a lady with little hands or a bloke with great big ones, again, they come from extra small right the way through extra large or 3XL. Okay, and generally, when things fit properly, you can use the switches, throttle, clutch and brakes correctly.
So Mike, would you like to tell us what your preferred clothing and helmets are?
Yeah, well, we use the Viper Rider equipment. All my instructors are using helmets, the flip helmets. A big percentage of the customers are coming in and they get good value for money. We know it's properly made. Okay, the whole idea of CBT is we're teaching you right from start to finish to be safe on the road.
I hope that's answered your question about what sort of kit you should be wearing and where you should be buying it from. Until next time, viewers, thanks, we'll see you again. Hey, so we know it's exciting when you're going to go do your CBT, but it can also be nerve-wracking. So some great advice from Mike there about what sort of helmet and gloves you should be wearing. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Hit the bell and subscribe, and we'll send you notifications of further real-time reviews. My name's Rob, thanks for watching.